1969 Oldsmobile 442 two-door Holiday Coupe or two-door hardtop. 455 V8 power underneath the hood. It's paired up with a automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic, 400 to be exact. We have the blacked out front grille, bumper, which highlights the black stripes nicely. Kind of a slate blue, I would call it, paint. Good looking color combination, white vinyl interior, nicely equipped with power steering, power brakes. Take a look at all the still pictures to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay. UniqueClassicCars.com. 507-386-1726 is the number you can call. Riding on the Oldsmobile Rally style wheels, BF Goodrich radials. Paint has a few blemishes. It's kind of, I don't know if I can, a little bit of hazing, I guess, if you will. A little spot, if you can see it there. And a little one right there. I did notice a little in the stripe over here. Still shows well, don't get me wrong. It's just there's kind of some hazing, I guess, in the clear, if you will. Still a fun one to drive, take down the road. Local roll-ins, cruise-ins, your local shows. Of course, bucket seats. Center console with a shifter. Very stock-looking dash. So as a Canadian-built car, you'll be able to see pictures of the VIN, the data tag, all that will be in the still pictures. Another thing to remember is we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You can see the paint has a nice shine to it. Blacked out rear bumper, of course, the dual exhaust. Black rear wing. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out those still pictures. Once again, 455 does have a fuel injection system on it, 5-Tech. Also has MagnaFlow exhaust headers. You'll be able to see those in the still pictures. Take a look at the driver's side. You can see it's not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. I mean, just like I said, a little bit of hazing. That paint interior, again, white vinyl. Door panels look good. Seating surfaces, a couple little blemishes here too. Let's go ahead and start this up so you can hear it run. We're going to take a look at the engine bay. Dash looks good. I have not had the radio power up. Very good throttle response with that fuel injection system. Headliner looks good. 6x9s in the rear deck. Looks like it was an original rear defrost equipped car. Good sounding 455. Let's go check out that engine bay. I'm going to pause this quick, get the hood open, take a look at the engine bay, and then stick around to the very end of the video, and we'll do a little drive with this car. You'll be able to see what it's like going down the road, kind of take a virtual ride, if you will. There's a good look at the underside of the hood. Hood liner. Like a newer alternator. Power steering, power brakes, Edelbrock aluminum intake. Good looking engine bay, good sounding car. 1969 Oldsmobile Real Deal 442. Two-door hardtop. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you check out all the still pictures. 507-386-1726. Call us. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1969 Oldsmobile 442 in a dark blue. We've got painted bumpers. Gives it a little bit more of a mean look to me. Turn signal indicators are working. Blower motor is working. We've got the heat on today. It's starting to cool off in Minnesota. Strong acceleration in this Oldsmobile. Very nice running engine. We've got a fuel gauge showing 1/4 of a tank. Speedometer working well. This car is equipped with, what do you call it, tick-tock tach. By chance, it has a clock in the middle of a tachometer. That's our far right gauge, and their tachometer is working well. This is an automatic on the center console. We got white and black interior, kind of a cream white and black. With a little wood grain on the dash. Very nice look to this car. Brakes are working well. You can tell we've got power steering and power brakes. Oldsmobile and Buick like to do that. A little bit more class with your speed. We've got acceleration and an awesome exhaust sound out of this car. Vinyl bucket seats are very comfortable. Mostly stock appearing, other than the paint job, which is very cool. Take a look at all the pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com.